All right, so check one, chest up, shoulder blades in, chest down. Check two, feet are further away from you for a bigger challenge and toes are up. Ready? 10 reps. Inhale down, exhale up. All right, great start. Now you got to do 9 more of those. 2, 3. Get your legs further out. I think you're making it easier for you. Just a little bit, yeah. Now lift your chest up again, belly in, and go. 4. 5. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. 6. 7. Okay, 3 more with good form. Stick your chest up. This is where you push your brain and your body. Okay. 8. 9. Chest up, chest up, chest up. And 10. All right, 10 push-ups. ASAP.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
Okay. Better than the previous set. All right, inhale down, exhale up, ready, go. And reminder, don't turn your elbows inwards. 1. 2. 3. Good focus. 4. 5. 6. 4 more. 7. 8. Good. Breathe. 9. And all right. Tell me where you felt it. Triceps?
Triceps, biceps, and then also for
Shoulders.
the dips, like definitely in my shoulder areas.
Okay, so let me focus on myself here. So here's what I want you to do. Because we're focusing only on upper body today and abs, I want you to go back to another 15 of these, but focus on the way I showed you, which is the band is facing an inch above your eye, right? So it's not here. It's about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, because what that's going to do is going to set you in this plane of motion versus holding it lower and doing it this way. So I want you to have it about an inch and a half above your eyes. Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay, let's get 15.
I just want to grab a quick sip of water.
Water? Who needs water?
I do, because I'm still recovering.
Oh, good set.
Okay, I need you here again.
I need you to make sure you have consistent amount of protein today, just to make sure you're ready for tomorrow. So, you know, we talked about your egg intake, right?
Yeah.
How's that going?
It's been going good. I've been just trying to have like a few for like each meal. Sorry, not each meal, but like try to add like an extra meal. And it's been helping. Okay,
good. That's what I want to see. Because I can see that the muscle tone is starting to come out a little bit more. But if you don't eat protein, you're going to have half-assed results. Anyway, let's go. 15, right. Eye level, an inch and a half above eye level. Yeah.
15, right? You said, sorry.
15, yeah. Raise the camera a tiny bit higher. Just tiny because you forgot to raise it higher. Perfect.
Better?
Yeah. All right. Show me eye level. Now again, this exercise, I need you to feel it right in between the shoulder blade. And it's going to be called a chest opener, which means it's going to open up your chest. You hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
I do.
Go.
Whew.
Yeah. Now, see if you can pull it an inch further back.
Sure.
You see how you're going to feel it in the shoulder blade? That's perfect. So give me 15. Perfect. All right, good job in keeping your core stable. Lift your chest up for me a tiny bit more, Nyati. I need you to get a little bit more progressive on your form. Perfect. It's fantastic. That's a great upper body routine. All right, now that you have the form, can you increase the speed? And remember, if it's going up in your neck, you're not doing a good job by holding the shoulders down. Just remember that. That's how you doctor it. You feel me, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
5 more left.
5, good. 4, perfect. Extra squeeze. 3, that upper back needs to be stronger. 2, 1 more. One more for the coach. Let's go. And rest. Okay. Okay, so that's turning into level 2 upper back training. So you know how I asked you to keep your band about 1.5 inches above your eyes?
Yeah.
We're gonna call it 1.5 inches above your eyes. Just to remember it from now on, okay? Any questions?
No. So I definitely felt it like right here.
Your deltoids.
In my shoulders, and just like I guess like from my general knowledge that like by doing that, when you say like open up your chest, like what do you mean? Like how does that help?
So here's the thing. Dips that you just did and the push-ups that you just did is in charge of sculpting, toning, strengthening your pushing muscles, which are your triceps, as you obviously know, right? Mm-hmm. Your pecs, which the normal person calls your chest, right?
Right.
The front of the shoulders, right? And the problem is the front of the shoulders are working when you're sitting behind a desk anyway, because you work behind a desk. So I want to do an exercise that opens everything up like this, right? And I'm going to call it a chest opener because that's in charge of training all the muscles on the back. You feel me? Now, when you train the muscles on the back, it has a reverse effect in the human body. It actually releases the front of the body, okay?
Okay.
And that's called the eccentric or the negative. That means now this becomes the positive, which is the upper back training. This becomes a negative. That means this is a releaser. When you do the push-ups, this becomes a positive, and the upper back muscle becomes a negative. So anytime you do upper body training, you have to do what I call a push motion and a pull motion or a pull motion like this. Does that make sense?
That does. That's really helpful.
Yeah, especially for my students who sit behind a desk to earn a living. I try to do more upper back training, posture training, because as they, doesn't matter how old they are, whether in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, as long as they're putting hours and hours behind a desk Monday to Friday, or they have bad posture, they're basically prone to spine problems.
No, that makes sense. I get that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So next.